Alright guys, well, we are back for, you guessed it, another gun of the week video. This thing's been getting some traction lately, so we thought we would throw it up. We've had a lot of fun with it. What we are talking about today is the Taurus TX22. This one's kind of a special package. It's the Rainmaker, and it's a little kind of an all-in-one that comes from the Armory at LTT. Essentially, it's a TX22 with an FRT trip already installed into the trigger. So what that means is when you shoot this thing, the gun kind of simulates full auto fire, but it's not actually shooting full auto. What's happening is your trigger is actually being depressed every shot by your finger. So if you were to slow it down in slow motion, you would see my finger actually goes so it's not technically full auto. It may seem like it, but it's not. So what is the Taurus TX22 Rainmaker? It essentially is a 22 caliber pistol, semi-automatic, that has a force reset trigger installed from the shop, the Armory at LTT, and that allows you to shoot fast. Now you can take it out. They do include the original trip, so if you want to go just pure one shot and reset, one shot reset manually, you can install it back in your gun if you want to, but I think this is the fun package right here. It comes out of the box with a lightning cut slide. It's got an optic cut on it. It's got a rail for a light or a laser. The grip feels incredible. It's one of those guns where, you know, some pistols, depending on your hand, don't feel really good. That's why a lot of people tell you, you know, before you buy a gun, go hold it, maybe go shoot it, actually get it in your hands first. This is one of those guns where I can tell you, if you have larger hands or medium-sized hands, this is gonna feel really good. If you have small hands, maybe check it out for yourself and see what you like, but there's a nice palm swirl in the back. It's got a single finger groove, which may or may not bother you. But yeah, smooth action, and it's threaded for a suppressor. And in this case, we have our JK Armament 105 RFX, our rimfire can, our rimfire system. So this is a modular suppressor. It's got a 17-4 stainless blast baffle. The tube and the subsequent baffles after that and the end cap are all 7075 T6 aluminum. So the can is super lightweight. And because it's modular, you can take it apart and clean it, because 22 is super dirty. And when you have an FRT 22, it's gonna get even dirtier. The FRT is kind of cool, makes it shoot really fast. It can be kind of finicky depending on what ammo you're running. So I would suggest running like high quality ammo through it, like CCI, Norma, Ely. Well, Ely's more for like PRS stuff, but run good quality ammo through it, you'll have a good time. The suppressor kind of adds a little bit of back pressure to the system, so you might see an increased rate of fire when you shoot unsuppressed versus suppressed with a can on the end. But it's a really fun gun. I mean, this can be shot by anyone, any size, any age, any build. It's a really, really fun way to deplete 22 rounds very quickly. The gun itself, at least in this package, it ships with a few magazines. So you have 1, 2, 3 standard capacity magazines, and you have 2 extended capacity magazines. But yes, essentially what we have here is the Taurus TX22, customized by the Armory LTT, known as the Rainmaker, and it's about as much fun as you can have without actually having a full auto 22. So again, I'm Nick with JK Armament Suppressors, and I'll see you on the range, hopefully with one of these. Comment below what you want to see next time, what gun you want to see, and make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.